Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to update a reader using Configure. First and foremost, you'll need a mobile phone and have the Configure mobile app set up and ready to go. Once you have the Configure mobile app set up and registered, you'll need to download a token. You can get tokens by reaching out to the Wavelynx support team using support@wavelynx.com. Once you have your token set up, it's a simple process. First, you'll power cycle the reader. Second, you'll update it using Configure within 60 seconds. And third, you wait and confirm that the reader has taken the update. First is power cycling the reader. There's two main ways to power cycle a reader. Option one is having two people on site, someone at the panel that's able to power cycle the reader directly from the panel, and someone sitting at the reader that's able to update it using their phone after it's power cycled. Option two is what we're going to demonstrate today. That is taking a reader off the wall by simply reaching the security screw, unscrewing the reader from the wall. Once you've unscrewed the reader from the wall, you simply twist it out and pull it out. From here, we have the pigtail that you can see. There also might be a terminal block here. To power cycle it, I'm simply just going to disconnect the pigtail, unplug it, and plug it back in. Once it's plugged back in, you can see it power cycles. And from there, I'll use the Configure mobile app. I will hit the Apply Profile and Cards button. You'll connect to the reader. You'll see that it's connecting by that amber control light. You'll then select the firmware that you need to see, confirm, tap to update. You'll then see the amber light flash again, and you'll see the progress bar begin. From here, keep the reader and phone within 6 inches of each other until the firmware update is complete. This can take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Now that we've hit 100% transfer complete, you'll see that notify you on the top, and you'll see this finalizing page pop up. At this point, you are okay to close the app, but you will notice that the reader now has a blue LED. This blue LED is showing that the reader is now transferring and configuring to the new firmware update. This blue LED will last anywhere from 30 seconds to 1 minute as the reader processes the new firmware. Make sure you do not power cycle or turn off this reader until that blue LED goes away. After the blue LED, you'll see the reader flash a white LED for a few seconds. This is it completing the firmware update. Once it finishes flashing white, you'll see it go through a standard AV behavior like a reset or an initial power on, and it will beep 2 or 4 times depending on the OSDP mode it's in. Here you'll see the reader update is now complete. In order to confirm it has the firmware you like, it's good to go ahead and open up the Configure app again, and then go to the Reader Details screen and hit View Reader Details. Here you can then check and confirm that the firmware version is the version that you expect. Once that's complete, then you can go ahead and remount this reader and move on to the next one. And that's it. Thanks for watching.